Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily boost dropshipping sales in Shopify. For this particular task we have to log in into our admin account and proceed like this. On the left side of our screen we have this bar of various options, how to make it more efficient. And in here we have this plus option of add apps, and we're gonna click there. Then we want to use find more apps in Shopify App Store and click all the way in the bottom. And here we are in our Shopify App Store. The thing that I really recommend you using is write down Facebook. Sorry, and use this one, Facebook and Instagram shopping, and get that app inside of your Shopify. It will greatly boost your dropshipping and you more than easily be able to do all the stuff. Just install the app, you'll get it, and you'll be able to proceed to more and more dropshipping. Then I recommend you some of the greatest like Privy or WhatsApp chat, that those are really nice as well. And then just connect your Facebook and you'll be good to go. Same goes with Instagram. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.